Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I finally received Chanel's new holiday collection for 2020. I'm so excited to finally have this collection in my hands, and I'm so excited to review it for you guys. But first, before we get into it, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Alright, let's get into this. I pretty much purchased the entire collection except for the lipsticks. I only purchased one out of the 4 that came out. But I am so excited, especially for the blush kind of a highlighter. I'm really excited to see that. Okay, so we have, let's get into the eyeshadows first. Now this year we have 4 eyeshadow palette singles. They did not create a quad type of eyeshadow palette that usually Chanel goes for. I have never purchased a singles eyeshadow before from Chanel, so this is going to be really interesting to see whether or not I like it. I'm sure the formula is still the same though. I just zoomed you guys in. I think I'm going to do something a little bit different with my video today. So as I am reviewing each and every single one of these eyeshadows, I'm just going to go ahead and apply them onto my eyes. I love that they color coded the eyeshadow single boxes so that it shows you exactly which color is which. A lot of the times with the Chanel packages, they're all the same, so it's really hard to know which palette is the one that I really want. I basically have to open each and every single one until I find out which one I want. So I think I will most likely keep these in these packages just because it makes it so much easier to kind of choose whichever eyeshadow I want. So let's see. I think today I might use the darker shade as an eyeliner, and this one here, I think I'm going to love this one. This one is number 927 Curve Rose, and I think it's the prettiest out of the bunch. So we'll probably put that one all over, and then we'll add some gold shimmer and also use that kind of beigey shimmer as a highlight maybe. Let's see, let's just get into it. I think I've decided to get into this rose shade to start off with. I think these are so cute. Just look at how luxurious the packaging is. And it just comes with a gold CC logo for a holiday type of collection. And inside we have this rosy, beautiful color. And I'm going to insert close-ups of all of these eyeshadows. They really are stunning. I love the embossment on these. All of Chanel's eyeshadows always have the most beautiful and stunning embossment. I'm going to pick up this rose shade, and I just want to apply it all over. I think we're going to go for a very simple type of look today. And that is number 927 in Curve Rose. Such a beautiful shade. And of course, when you use these eyeshadows, the embossment does slightly go away. Such a shame. I really hate doing that, but we gotta use it, right? I want to add a little bit of darkness to my eyes, so we're gonna go in with 928. This is the darkest shade out of the 4 eyeshadows. And again, it comes with a beautiful pouch. Such a pretty rustic color. This one has very little shimmer in it, if none at all, but it's very beautiful. I imagine this is going to create a beautiful smoke shade, or even also a liner, which is how I'm going to be using it. The shade added quite a smokiness to the eye look. It looks really beautiful. I love applying it underneath my waterline. It definitely gives that kind of edgy look, but it looks so beautiful. I really like this color. Very pretty. I could leave this look the way it is, but I do want to add some of the gold shade that also came out with this collection. This one is in number 925, and this is a gorgeous gold shade. Oh, this is very pretty. What I'm gonna do with this color is I'm just gonna grab this with my finger, and I just want to pat it in the middle. How gorgeous is that? You see that little bit of pink and then the darkness, and then that gold shade really topped it off. I am really loving this look so far. And the final eyeshadow shade in the collection is number 926. This one is in Or Blanc, and this is a very pretty cool shade. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to add it as a highlighter. So I think I'm going to add it underneath my eyebrows and kind of blend the look all together so you don't get that harshness. What you could also do with this shade as well is just to grab just a tiny little bit and add it right in the inner corner. Just gives such a beautiful glow. Now let's get into the Illuminating blush powder. Out of the entire collection, this is the one that I'm most excited for. The pictures that I've seen online for this are absolutely gorgeous, and I think that this is going to really suit my complexion quite a bit. Again, it comes in the Chanel pouch. Comes with a brush that I never use. Oh, this is so pretty. I can't wait to apply this on. I like that it doesn't have shimmer in it. It's just, oh, it's so pretty. It looks so metallic. I mean, the shimmer does look very finely milled in there, but I think it's gonna look gorgeous on the skin. I can't wait to apply this. I am starting to collect the new Chanel brushes, and I did purchase the blush brush with this purchase. I just really love mostly that these brushes come with a gorgeous cap to them. I think it really is great for safekeeping. This is a synthetic brush, and it's very soft as well, so I will be using that with the new blush that came with the collection. So let's go ahead and try this on. I'm going to pick up just a little bit with the brush, tap the excess. This looks really pretty. Gives such a gorgeous flush of rose to the cheeks. It's nothing too overwhelming, and I love that it doesn't have too much glitter in there. It just gives this gorgeous flush to the face. And I'm in love with this brush as well. I love that it has kind of a flat edge to it. I feel like this is a 2-in-1 highlighter and blush together. So gorgeous. And that is the blush. I think I did overdo it just a little bit, but that's okay. I really love the shade. It gives such a beautiful flush to the cheeks. It's definitely going to be beautiful in the winter. I feel like the blush and number 927 in the eyeshadow are pretty much the same color. I think the eyeshadow has more shimmer in it, but they pretty much go hand in hand, very similar. This one is just a little bit more matte, and I feel like they complement each other so well, especially if you apply this all over your eyelid and then just apply the blush. Just a little bit of lipstick and you're good to go. The collection did come out with 4 gorgeous lip shades, 3 of which were more of a red color and 1 that was nude, and I opted for the nude one mainly because of the shimmer that's in it. This is number 107, which is Or Beige. And of course it comes out with the gorgeous holiday look for the lipstick. And this is the Rouge L'Or. And this color is gorgeous. I can't wait to try this on with the look. I think it's going to complement the blush and the eyeshadows perfectly. Ooh, this color is really pretty. I love it. I think it looks so beautiful, and I love the gorgeous little shimmer shades that's in there. It's very subtle, but it looks beautiful. It's just the perfect amount of shimmer. And that is the finished look and everything that I chose from the collection. I think this collection is stunning, and it created such a gorgeous look. I am absolutely in love with the lipstick. I think it is the perfect shade for the holidays, and I'm actually glad I didn't go for the red this time, but this is so pretty. It's such a gorgeous nude. I love that the lipstick is not the kind of nude that sucks the life out of you. It's definitely a gorgeous shade. I love that little little shimmer that it has in it is so pretty. It's kind of a just put on and go type of lipstick, and I'm really glad I didn't go for the red this time because this is very beautiful and I do highly recommend that you choose the shade. My favorite in this entire collection would have to be the blush. This is so beautiful. I'm so glad that they didn't create just a highlighter like they usually do every year. This is such a unique type of product. It's both a highlighter and a blush in one. It's gorgeous. I love the shade. Now I do love the eyeshadows. I think the pigment is perfect. It's not too pigmented, but it's also not too sheer. But I do wish that they just created one quad to have all of them in there. It just makes it so much easier to have one palette that has all the shades in there. But I can understand some people probably won't want to purchase each and every single one of these shades and would just want to purchase just one or two, and this makes it so much easier because these definitely you can use them on their own. They're not the kind of eyeshadows where you would need multiple different eyeshadows to create a gorgeous look. You can just apply any one of these onto your eyes and they would look stunning. I think my favorite eyeshadow in the collection would have to be the rose shade. It's just stunning. It's so beautiful. You could apply it just on its own. It's such a gorgeous color and I love the shimmer in it, but in all honesty, I think you can get away with just getting the blush and applying this one as an eyeshadow. Now it doesn't have as much shimmer as the eyeshadow palette does, but if you just want to purchase one thing out of this entire collection, you could totally get away with the blush. It's just stunning. I think it's an all-round type of a great product that you could even use as an eyeshadow because why not? I also want to add that I'm really quite impressed by this blush brush. I think it is so beautiful. I love how soft it is. The bristles are so soft to the touch and I love the flat edge to it. So it really applies blush beautifully on. So if you guys are hunting for a new blush brush, I definitely feel that the Chanel one is beautiful and I highly recommend it. And that is my review of Chanel's new holiday collection for 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope it made it easier for you to choose something out of this collection because it is quite stunning. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.